Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Ensure SQL Server is network reachable and that port 1433 or your custom port is open. Next, install the on-premises data gateway and sign in with the same Power BI account you'll use for the workspace. Once done, register the gateway to the service and create a workspace in Power BI service. Make sure you have admin or member rights. These first steps tie your on-premises data to the cloud and prepare the service side for connections. Now configure the gateway's data source. In Power BI service, select the registered gateway and add a SQL Server data source. Choose your authentication mode, Windows for domain accounts or SQL/Basic for SQL logins. Enter the exact server name and database, then paste credentials and click Test Connection. Once the test succeeds, assign users or security groups who can use the connection. Alternatively, configure a service principal for unattended refreshes. This step ensures Power BI. Finally, you publish your report from Power BI desktop to the workspace tied to the gateway. Once published, open the dataset settings, choose the configured gateway, and schedule refreshes at appropriate intervals. After the first scheduled refresh, review the refresh history to confirm success. If something fails, start troubleshooting. Verify gateway service is online, inspect gateway logs, confirm credentials haven't expired, and recheck firewall and network routes. A single troubleshooting tip: restart the gateway service and retry the refresh. This often clears transient connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.